بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب وقرآن مبين.
These are the verses of the book and the luminous Quran.
ربما يود الذين كفروا لو كانوا مسلمين.
The disbelievers will eagerly desire that if only they had been Muslims.
ذرهم يأكلوا ويتمتعوا ويلههم الأمل فسوف يعلمون.
Leave them to eat and enjoy life, and the hope to live long leads them to amusement, so they will soon come to know.
وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا ولها كتاب معلوم.
And every town that we destroyed had a known written decree for it.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No group may advance its appointed promise, nor can it fall behind.
وقالوا يا أيها الذي نزل عليه الذكر إنك لمجنون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, O the one upon whom the Quran has been sent, you are indeed insane.
لو ما تأتينا بالملائكة إن كنت من الصادقين.
Why do you not bring angels to us if you are truthful?
ما ننزل الملائكة إلا بالحق وما كانوا إذا منظرين.
We do not send down angels in vain, and if they, angels, descend, they, the disbelievers, would hence not get any respite.
إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون.
Indeed, we have sent down this Quran, and indeed we ourselves are its protector.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك في شيع الأولين.
And we indeed sent messengers before you to the previous nations.
وما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And never does a messenger come to them but they mock him.
كذلك نسلكه في قلوب المجرمين.
This is how we cause the mockery to enter the hearts of the culprits.
لا يؤمنون به وقد خلت سنة الأولين.
They do not believe in him, and the tradition of earlier nations had passed on.
ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون.
And if we open for them a gate in the heaven, that they may ascend into it during the day,
لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون.
even then they would say, our sights have been restricted, rather we have been bewitched by magic.
ولقد جعلنا في السماء بروجا وزيناها للناظرين.
And we indeed created towers in the skies and beautified it for the beholders.
وحفظناها من كل شيطان رجيم.
And we have kept it guarded from every accursed devil.
إلا من استرق السمع فأتبعه شهاب مبين.
Except the one who goes to listen stealthily, a blazing flame henceforth pursues him.
والأرض مددناها وألقينا فيها رواسي وأنبتنا فيها من كل شيء موزون.
And we spread out the earth and placed mountains as anchors in it, and therein grew everything by a proper measure.
وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش ومن لستم له برازقين.
And created livelihoods for you therein, and created those for whom you do not provide sustenance.
وإن من شيء إلا عندنا خزائنه وما ننزله إلا بقدر معلوم.
And there is not a thing, treasures of which we do not possess, and we do not send it down except by a known measure.
وأرسلنا الرياح لواقح فأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأسقيناكموه وما أنتم له بخازنين.
And we sent the winds that filled the clouds with water. We henceforth caused the water to come down from the sky, then gave it to you to drink, and you are not at all its treasures.
وإنا لنحن نحيي ونميت ونحن الوارثون.
And it is indeed we who give life, and it is we who cause death, and only we are the inheritors.
ولقد علمنا المستقدمين منكم ولقد علمنا المستأخرين.
And we indeed know those amongst you who went forward, and we indeed know those amongst you who remained behind.
وإن ربك هو يحشرهم إنه حكيم عليم.
And indeed, only your Lord will raise them all on the day of resurrection. Indeed, only He is ever wise, all-knowing.
ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من صلصال من حمأ مسنون.
Indeed, we created man from dry sound-emitting clay, which was in reality black reeking mud.
والجان خلقناه من قبل من نار السموم.
And created jinn before him from smokeless fire.
وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني خالق بشرا من صلصال من حمأ مسنون.
And recall when your Lord said to the angels that, I am about to create man from sound-emitting clay, which is from black reeking mud.
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
Henceforth, when I have finished shaping him and breathed into him from myself a distinct honorable soul, you should therefore fall down to him in prostration.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
So all the angels, each and every one of them, fell down in prostration,
إلا إبليس أبى أن يكون مع الساجدين.
except Iblis, Satan. He refused to be amongst those who prostrated.
قال يا إبليس ما لك ألا تكون مع الساجدين.
Said Allah, O Iblis, what happened to you that you stayed apart from those who prostrated?
قال لم أكن لأسجد لبشر خلقته من صلصال من حمأ مسنون.
He said, it does not befit me to prostrate to a human being whom you have created from sound-emitting clay, which was from black reeking mud.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
Said Allah, so get out from paradise, that you are the rejected one.
وإن عليك اللعنة إلى يوم الدين.
And you are indeed accursed until the day of judgment.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, O my Lord, grant me respite till the day when they are to be raised.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
Said Allah, you are of those who are given respite
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
till the day of that known time.
قال رب بما أغويتني لأزينن لهم في الأرض ولأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, O my Lord, I swear by this that you led me astray. I will distract them in the earth and I will lead them all astray.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those amongst them who are your chosen bondsmen.
قال هذا صراط علي مستقيم.
Said Allah, this path leads straight towards me.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان إلا من اتبعك من الغاوين.
Indeed, you do not have any control over my bondsmen except those misguided ones who follow you.
وإن جهنم لموعدهم أجمعين.
And hell is indeed the promise for all of them.
لها 7 أبواب لكل باب منهم جزء مقسوم.
It has 7 gates. For each gate from amongst them, a part is assigned.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
Indeed, those who fear Allah are in the gardens and fountains.
ادخلوها بسلام آمنين.
Enter in them with peace, in safety.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين.
And we have extracted out all malice which was in their chests. They are brothers sitting face to face upon thrones.
لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين.
Neither any sorrow is to reach them in it, nor are they to be banished from it.
نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم.
Inform my bondsmen that undoubtedly only I am the most forgiving, the most merciful.
وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم.
And only my punishment is painful punishment.
ونبئهم عن ضيف إبراهيم.
And inform them of Ibrahim's guests.
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال إنا منكم وجلون.
When they, the angels, came to him and said Salam, he said, we feel afraid of you.
قالوا لا توجل إنا نبشرك بغلام عليم.
They said, do not fear, we give you glad tidings of a knowledgeable boy.
قال أبشرتموني على أن مسني الكبر فبم تبشرون.
He said, do you give me glad tidings upon this fact that old age has reached me? So, of what do you give glad tidings?
قالوا بشرناك بالحق فلا تكن من القانطين.
They said, we have given you true glad tidings, do not lose hope.
قال ومن يقنط من رحمة ربه إلا الضالون.
He said, who can be disappointed from the mercy of his Lord except those who became misguided?
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون
He said, then, now, what is your task, O angels?
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين
They said, we have been sent towards a sinning nation,
إلا آل لوط إنا لمنجوهم أجمعين
but the family of Lut, we shall rescue all of them.
إلا امرأته قدرنا إنها لمن الغابرين
Except his wife, we have decided with the command of Allah that she is of those who will stay behind.
فلما جاء آل لوط المرسلون
So, when the angels came to the family of Lut,
قال إنكم قوم منكرون
he said, you are some kind of strange people.
قالوا بل جئناك بما كانوا فيه يمترون
They said, rather, we have brought to you that punishment in which these people were doubtful.
وأتيناك بالحق وإنا لصادقون
And we have brought to you a true command, and we are indeed truthful.
فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل واتبع أدبارهم ولا يلتفت منكم أحد وامضوا حيث تؤمرون
Therefore, go out with your family whilst a part of the night remains, and you walk behind them, and none of you should turn around to see, and proceed straight to the place you are commanded to.
وقضينا إليه ذلك الأمر أن دابر هؤلاء مقطوع مصبحين
And we informed him the decision of this command, that in the morning the root of the disbelievers will be cut off.
وجاء أهل المدينة يستبشرون
And the people of the city came rejoicing.
قال إن هؤلاء ضيفي فلا تفضحون
Lut said, these are my guests, do not disgrace me.
واتقوا الله ولا تخزون
And fear Allah and do not humiliate me.
قالوا أولم ننهك عن العالمين
They said, had we not forbidden you from interfering in the matters of others?
قال هؤلاء بناتي إن كنتم فاعلين
He said, these women of our nations are my daughters. If you must do,
لعمرك إنهم لفي سكرتهم يعمهون
O beloved, by the oath of your life, they are indeed wandering about in their intoxication.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مشركين
So the deafening scream overcame them at sunrise.
فجعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليهم حجارة من سجيل
So we made the upper side of that town, its lower side, i.e., capsized it, and showered upon them stones of baked clay.
إن في ذلك لآيات للمتوسمين
Indeed, in this are signs for people who have insight.
وإنها لبسبيل مقيم
And the town is indeed upon a path which is still functional.
إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين
Indeed, in this are signs for the believers.
وإن كان أصحاب الأيكة لظالمين.
And the bush dwellers, i.e., the nation of Prophet Shu'aib, were indeed definitely unjust.
فانتقمنا منهم وإنهما لبإمام مبين.
We henceforth took revenge from them, and both of these towns are indeed situated on an open path.
ولقد كذب أصحاب الحجر المرسلين.
And the people of Hijr, i.e., the rocky tract, indeed belied the messengers.
وآتيناهم آياتنا فكانوا عنها معرضين.
And we gave them our signs, and they kept their faces turned away from them.
وكانوا ينحتون من الجبال بيوتا آمنين.
And they used to carve out houses in the mountains without fear.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مصبحين.
So the deafening scream overcame them in the morning.
فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Therefore, their earnings did not benefit them in the least.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل.
And we have not created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in vain. And indeed, the last day is coming. Therefore, O beloved, pardon graciously.
إن ربك هو الخلاق العليم.
Indeed, only your Lord is the great Creator, the all-knowing.
ولقد آتيناك سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم.
And we have indeed given you 7 verses, i.e., Surah Fatiha, which are often repeated, and the glorious Quran.
لا تمدن عينيك إلى ما متعنا به أزواجا منهم ولا تحزن عليهم واخفض جناحك للمؤمنين.
Do not lift your eyes looking towards that thing which we have given to some pairs of disbelievers to enjoy, and do not at all grieve over them, and take the Muslims within the wings of your mercy, i.e., bless them with your kindness.
وقل إني أنا النذير المبين.
And say, O beloved, that only I am a clear warner of that punishment.
كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين.
Like the one we sent down upon the dividers,
الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
they are those who made the divine word into pieces.
فوربك لنسألنهم أجمعين.
So, by your Lord, we shall definitely question them all
عما كانوا يعملون.
about whatever they used to do.
فاصدع بما تؤمر وأعرض عن المشركين.
Therefore, publicly announce what you are commanded, and turn away your face from the polytheists.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين.
Indeed, we are sufficient for you against these mockers,
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
those who ascribe another deity along with Allah, they will henceforth soon come to know.
ولقد نعلم أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون.
And we indeed know that you become disheartened by what they say.
فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين.
Therefore, glorify your Lord whilst praising Him, and be amongst those who prostrate.
واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين.
And remain worshipping your Lord until death.
صدق الله العظيم.